Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rent your car on Turo. Now, first, of course, you need to go ahead and come to Turo.com and you need to sign up first, okay? There's no sign up fees, there's no monthly charges, you just need to enter your car's details to get started, and then you need to set your preferences, including when your car is available and your daily pricing. You can add some photos in the description and you're basically good to go, okay? And then you basically just have to wait for someone to go ahead and book your vehicle. And when they book your car, you'll have to, get in touch with the details. And the Turo app basically walks you through everything you need to know, and you get paid by direct deposit within 3 days of each trip. So basically you're in between 65 or 75% of the trip price based on the level of the Turo protection you go ahead and choose. So list your car and then just sit back and wait for someone to book it. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.